Peter, a piper, a picker, a pan. Oh, Cooking General here. Yeah, oh, sorry. Oh, we're gonna do some fried chillings, an old-time Southern favorite. Now, y'all done chillings before, but we're gonna do some chillings, but we're gonna do them the old way. But we're gonna also do them an old Southern simple recipe. No Tony Castro, none of that stuff. No fancy seasoning, nothing. We're gonna go old-fashioned all the way, and this is gonna be fried. We're gonna have fried chillings. Okay, check it out. These chillings been cleaned and washed. I'm gonna wash them and clean them again. Or at least wash them again, because they already been cleaned. And I got the red bucket. So these are real chillings. So we're gonna just use simple recipes. Onions. We're gonna use red bell peppers. The only reason I'm using red bell pepper because that's the only thing I had left. I had no green. I like the green ones, but hell, we just cooking fried. We're gonna fry them anyway, so we ain't worried about that. So just garlic, black pepper, and salt. And then you're gonna need some grease to fry them in. But we're gonna ball them first. So I'm gonna come back with y'all and I'm gonna let y'all know how we gonna do this. Oh, Peter, Piper, oh, Cooking General back. Put these chillings on. We're gonna get them balled first so we can fry them. So I done washed them off, got them clean. We're gonna put them in this water. Gonna put all your chillings off in that water. Don't leave them. Okay, we got them all in there. Now, we finna add our onions and our bell pepper. There we go. Now, put a little salt. Why these salt things are always so hard to open? There we go. Put your little salt in there. Right there. Then put some black pepper. Now remember, this is the old-fashioned way. We ain't going no fancy stuff. Black pepper, this is what they used to do in the old days. And we're gonna put a little garlic powder in there. Right there. Let them boil. And then we're gonna eat some chitlins. Check this out here. I only got old now, they don't move like they used to, but boy, I can still. You better ask somebody. Okay, we got these chillings. Okay, they ball now. I'll strain them. Now, only thing you gotta do, simple. Just put them in some cornmeal. Like that. Shake them up. Cornmeal like that. Get your grease hot. Then, I'm gonna fry these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Put them off in that grease. And you just fry them just like fish. They're already seasoned, so all you gotta do is just dump them in some cornmeal. Whew. All right. There we go. Let them fry, and I'm gonna be back. All righty, boy, look here. Some fried chillings. Taking them out that hot grease. Whew. Shake them off like that. Nice, crisp. You don't want them too crispy. You don't want them too soft either. That's right in between, right there. That's consistency you want. Then you want to take it, and you got some of this Louisiana hot sauce. And you want to dump your little bit on it like that there. Just a little hot sauce on them. And you talking about like cracklings. Alrighty. Grab you one of these bad boys. Woo! Up here. Yeah.